Hi friends, welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. If you're new here, we would love to have you click the subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications every time one of us uploads a new video. I'm Kim and I am sharing with you today one of the new products being released mid-August here at Kat Scrappiness. This is the Rainbow Bridge Sentiment Stamp Set, and it's a pretty fantastic stamp set. So let me pull this out of the package. So here is the stamp set. I'm going to keep this white paper behind so you can see it. You get this gorgeous bridge with the boards going lengthwise down the bridge, which allows you to actually color those in with a rainbow set of colors, your favorite combination of rainbow colors. And then you also get a little angel dog and a little angel cat. You get a paw print with a heart. You get a little halo there, some hearts. You get the word love with a paw print in the center, and you get 6 different sentiments. Pets may leave our arms, but they will never leave our hearts. Don't be sad. I'll be waiting for you at the Rainbow Bridge with sympathy. So very sorry for the loss of your faithful friend. Our faithful friends leave paw prints on our hearts, forever in our hearts. So this is a pretty fabulous stamp set that you can use to make sympathy cards for friends and family members who've lost their beloved pets. So here's an example of a card I might create with this stamp set. I used the dog image. I used some of the new paw prints sprinkles. Here there are bone sprinkles and multicolored paw print sprinkles, but I just used 3 on here because I chose the sentiment, our faithful friends leave paw prints on our hearts, and I thought that those embellishments were a perfect touch for the card. I did a little bit of watercoloring on my bridge to give a very subtle rainbow, and then I used my little Kat Scrappiness blender brushes to add some sky and grass below, just to finish it off and kind of complete the scene. So that is my card. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up. I'll put the links to these products below, and you can check out the rest of the new paw prints or possum release at the Kat Scrappiness shop, and I will leave a link to that below as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a very creative day.